Hello, let me show you how to change lock method on the HTC U Ultra. So let's start from open the settings and now click here and scroll down and go to the security. As you can see, currently is set up on the swipe. We can change it for the pattern. Click here on the yes and now draw your pattern, and after this we'll click on the continue and draw it again to confirm, and click on the confirm. Also there is the option to set up your notifications, and right now when we're going to lock our screen and try to unlock, we have to swipe and draw our pattern. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.